Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. All right, so here's what we've been looking at. We had this triangle pattern, something like this, or a rising wedge, it kind of looked like. I was saying if we could break this red line right here and this previous resistance, then I'm going to start getting bullish. We came right up to that level and got rejected pretty much. The other thing I was watching is this green line right here. We had support and support. I was watching this trend line going to the upside, and I was waiting for a breakout to the downside or a breakout to the upside to get more confident on which way we're going. Are we going down or are we going up and breaking this big downtrend? Looks like we're breaking that uptrend going to the downside right now. So what I'm looking at are the next support levels, or I mean, I guess the bottoms, should I say. We had a bottom right here, and then if we zoom out, we had a bottom over here at around 30,000. This one over here is sitting around 33.6 thousand. So what I'm thinking is, I'm wondering if we're gonna get a bounce over here at this spot right here, maybe do something like this and then get a bounce out, or are we gonna break this level going down and have to hit up this 30,000 level? I've been watching this 30,000 level for a while now, ever since we broke this one right here sitting at around, what was it, like 40,000. I was watching 40,000 for a while, and then I was saying if we break 40,000, I'll be looking at 30,000. So we still haven't hit this spot quite yet. We haven't came down and hit it yet, so I'm still thinking that's possible before we bounce and break this trend line. But I don't know, first spot that I said, like I said, I'm looking at is around 33.6. This is where I first had my limit order. I'm kind of curious if we're going to get a bounce here or if we're going to break through that spot right there. Like I said, the main thing that I had been watching is this uptrend like this. We're on the 4-hour time frame. We actually broke that going to the downside. Well, actually, I was watching this and this red line like I was talking about, and I was really waiting for a breakout to the upside or the downside. I've been waiting for a breakout to the downside for a while now. It's been, I mean, probably a few days that I've been kind of wondering if it's going to break to the downside, and I've had a limit order setting here for about a week now. So yeah, not sure. It does look like we're trending down though. I guess the other thing we could do, I don't know, it's kind of early yet, so once we form some more candles over here, then we can start forming a trend line and we can kind of have something to look at. Because right now it does just look like this big break to the downside, and we don't really have a trend to watch. I mean, I guess you could argue maybe something like this, because we are breaking this uptrend right now. In my opinion, we could get rid of that one, and we could get rid of this one right now because we don't really care about that. And I don't know, I'm kind of looking for a downtrend that we can watch. Let's give it some time, let it form some more candles. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it bounces up, or let's see what it really does. In general, like I've been talking about, if we zoom out and go to the daily time frame like this, let's do something like this. We have resistance, resistance, and resistance. I'm watching this big downtrend like this, and until we break this downtrend going to the upside, then I'm assuming that it's pushing us down, and I'm watching the previous support levels or the previous bottoms. Next one, like I said, is sitting around 33. I'm looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, and it's sitting around 33.6k, and then the one over here is sitting around 29.5 or maybe around 30k. Let's see what happens. If you have any questions, check out my Discord. I'll leave a link in the comments. If you're new to trading, check out this video right here. It's a video about buying and selling. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.